Imagine you're out camping in the middle of nowhere. It's pitch dark, your flashlight just died, your power bank is empty, and your phone battery is sitting at 1%. For most smartphones, that's basically game over. But what if your phone could actually replace your flashlight, your power bank, your walkie-talkie, and still last for days without dying? That's exactly the idea behind the DOOGEE Fire 7 Pro. This thing is not trying to be the thinnest phone or the most fashionable one. Instead, it's built like a survival tool that also happens to be a smartphone. Today, we're taking a close look at this rugged beast and seeing if it's actually useful or just another gimmicky outdoor phone. And before we jump deeper into the review, make sure you hit that subscribe button and drop a like because it really helps the channel and keeps these deep tech reviews coming. Now, the first thing you notice when you pick up the DOOGEE Fire 7 Pro is that this thing feels like it could survive an apocalypse. It has that classic rugged phone design with thick protective corners, strong materials, and a body that clearly prioritizes durability over elegance. It's definitely not the type of phone you slip into a suit pocket, but if you're someone who works outdoors, hikes a lot, or just constantly drops their phone, the extra protection actually makes a lot of sense. It feels solid, dense, and honestly kind of reassuring in the hand. You get the sense that this device is designed to handle rough environments like construction sites, camping trips, or long adventures far away from power outlets. But the real standout feature here is something you almost never see on a smartphone. Built right in the back are these insanely bright camping lights. And we're not talking about a small LED flash like most phones. These are full 1200 lumen dual camping lights. When you turn them on, the phone basically becomes a portable lantern. There are two different beams, a ring beam and a strip beam, and they can be controlled separately depending on what kind of light you need. The light can reach up to around 8 meters ahead, which is actually impressive for something built into a phone. Whether you're fixing your car at night, walking through a dark trail, or setting up a tent, it's surprisingly useful. What makes it even cooler is the control system. You're not just stuck with one brightness level. The phone lets you switch between multiple modes like standard lighting, flash mode, and even an SOS emergency signal. There are 5 brightness levels, and you can also set timers so the light automatically shuts off after a certain amount of time. It's one of those features that sounds gimmicky until you actually imagine the scenarios where it could save you a lot of trouble. Then there's the battery, and honestly, this might be the most ridiculous part of the entire phone. The DOOGEE Fire 7 Pro packs a massive 13,000 milliamp hour battery. To put that into perspective, most smartphones today sit somewhere between 4,000 and 5,000 milliamp hours. This phone basically has more than double that capacity. In real-world terms, that means you can go days without worrying about charging. If you're someone who spends a lot of time outdoors, traveling, or working long shifts away from power outlets, that extra endurance is a huge advantage. And it's not just about lasting longer. The phone also supports 33-watt fast charging, so when you do plug it in, it refills relatively quickly. Plus, there's a reverse charging feature that lets the phone act like a power bank. So if your earbuds, smartwatch, or even a friend's phone dies, you can actually share your battery with them. It's like carrying a portable charging station in your pocket. Inside the phone, you'll find the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, which brings 5G connectivity along with solid everyday performance. Now, this is not meant to compete with flagship processors, but for a rugged phone focused on utility, it's actually pretty capable. Apps open smoothly, multitasking feels responsive, and the 5G support means you still get modern connectivity even when you're using this device in demanding environments. The memory setup is also pretty generous. You're getting 8 gigabytes of RAM plus an additional virtual RAM expansion that can push it even higher when needed. On top of that, there's 256 gigabytes of internal storage. That's a lot of space for photos, maps, offline files, videos, anything else you might want to keep while traveling or working in the field. Speaking of photos, the camera system is actually more interesting than you might expect for a rugged device. The main camera is a 64-megapixel AI sensor that supports features like HDR, panorama, portrait mode, and different shooting filters. In good lighting, it can capture detailed photos with solid colors. It's not trying to compete with high-end camera phones, but it's definitely capable of getting good shots for everyday use or documenting your adventures. But the more unique camera feature is the 20-megapixel night vision camera. This lets you capture images even in complete darkness. Think about situations like wildlife observation, nighttime security checks, or exploring dark areas while camping. Being able to see and record things that your eyes normally can't see is actually a pretty cool capability. For selfies and video calls, there's also a 16-megapixel front camera that includes beauty mode, portrait effects, and smile capture. It's simple but effective for social media or quick video chats when you're on the move. The display on the front is a 6.6-inch Full HD plus IPS panel with a 90 Hz refresh rate. That means scrolling feels smoother than standard 60 Hz screens, and the overall viewing experience is pretty comfortable. Whether you're watching videos, navigating maps, or just browsing the web, the screen looks bright and clear. And since this is a rugged phone, it's designed to remain visible even in outdoor lighting conditions. Another thing worth mentioning is the software. The phone runs Android 15, which brings modern features like improved privacy controls, better multitasking tools, and system-level optimizations. There are also additional utilities designed for productivity and convenience, such as parallel app windows, clipboard enhancements, and motion-based controls. And somewhere in the middle of the video, if you're enjoying this deep dive into rugged tech, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. It takes just a second, and it helps the algorithm push these videos to more tech fans like you. One more feature that makes this device stand out is its built-in Bluetooth intercom functionality. This essentially lets the phone act like a walkie-talkie when paired with compatible devices. For teams working in the field, groups hiking together, or even security teams coordinating across an area, having direct communication without relying entirely on cellular networks can be extremely useful. When you combine all of these features together, you start to see the real identity of the DOOGEE Fire 7 Pro. This is not designed to be a flashy flagship competing with premium glass smartphones. Instead, it's more like a multi-tool for people who need reliability, endurance, and practical features in tough situations. You've got a massive battery that keeps the phone alive for days. Super bright camping lights that can replace a flashlight. A rugged body built for rough environments. Night vision capabilities for darkness. Solid 5G performance for modern connectivity. And extra tools like reverse charging and Bluetooth intercom that add real-world usefulness. So the big question is whether the DOOGEE Fire 7 Pro actually makes sense for you. If you're someone who mainly stays indoors, works in an office, and wants the slimmest phone possible, this probably isn't the device for you. But if you're an adventurer, a traveler, a field worker, or someone who simply wants a phone that can survive almost anything, then this thing starts to look very appealing. It's one of those smartphones that feels less like a fragile gadget and more like a dependable piece of equipment. And in a world where most phones are becoming thinner, more delicate, and more similar to each other, seeing a device that focuses on durability and functionality is actually pretty refreshing. And that wraps up our hands-on look at the DOOGEE Fire 7 Pro. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more deep dives into unique smartphones and crazy tech gadgets, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. It really helps support the channel and lets me keep bringing you more honest tech reviews like this.